Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on how to create a roundabout in your road plan using civil site design software. First, open your CAD software and upload your road plan. To create your roundabout, you need to design the main intersection for the main roads and to draw the alignment for Kerb Returns. Also, you'll need to create two important elements, the inner roundabout alignment and the outer roundabout alignment. The inner roundabout alignment represents the central island, while the outer roundabout alignment defines the outer edge of the circulating carriageway. Now to have an overview, let's dive in. Click on the Design Data Form button to begin. This will pop up a window where you can add a string. From the settings, choose the typical section for the main road, then click OK. Another window will appear for further edits. Once you move this window aside, you'll see the string added to your road plan. Make sure that you add all the strings needed. Next, it's time to create the Kerb Returns. You can watch our video on how to create a Kerb Return automatically for detailed instructions by clicking on the I above. But for now, once you've added the strings, click on the Network Strings button, select Kerb Returns, and start adding the Kerb Returns according to your preferred settings. With the Kerb Returns in place, it's time to focus on the roundabout. Click on the Network Strings button again, this time selecting Roundabout. A window will pop up, allowing you to choose your roundabout preferences. By clicking this button, it will highlight the alignments, making the design process easier and more intuitive. The left button is for selecting the alignment, making it easy for you to choose a specific alignment on your road plan. You can also choose the center string template and its section spacing. In this video, we will leave the section spacing as it is. Then click on the Set Up Elements Automatically button. This will automatically configure all your elements for you. As you can see, the software highlights every element you click on, simplifying the design process. After making sure about every element, click on Create Intersection Model. Once you finish all the edits, click on OK. As you can see, the roundabout top surface has been created. You can still edit it by clicking on Surface Manager. In this video, we edited the interval to 0.050, and once you click on Update Display, it will show you the result immediately. If you want to make any changes in the vertical design, make sure to click on Create Intersection in the roundabout settings, as using Match In won't suffice. And that's it. This is a simple way to create a roundabout easily, and this is how it looks. Contact us at Present Trade now to get your free trial and try it yourself. Happy designing!